Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with another vlog. I miss vlogging, not I. I really miss vlogging. I just wake up, wait. I'm not too long wake up and brush up my hair. I'm say, you know what? I'm gonna stop. Could do a nice little vlog. Everything. Today is Monday. Me and Jason I go up on the road, but me I go about my business and Jason go do his business. And then two we go come back home together. I want to buy some stuff like, let me tell you so you can remind me. I need a hairbrush. Yeah, I need one broom. Jesse used the broom lick dog. And the broom broke because them they can attack with dog. So we did have to fight back for a dog. Well, for the dog with there because I know our dog. Babe, you see time? Remember say you have business to do. Good morning, baby. You gonna wake up now? Okay. I know somebody gonna comment and say, Andrew, you should do that, you should shine the light in on the man's face. Trust me, if I get late and him they tell me say I want to leave out one such time and at 10 minutes to that time there. But he needs to wake up because he might go bed, he might go eat, he might go, you know, he needs to wake up and him not look in the closet. Anyways, a morning time I normally get a little dose of my mother. She the online now, I could see if she got answer. You have to lean up her phone. I love you. I miss you.
How are you go so early again? Like you say I love man. But you can't read, you know. Well, I got the depending about something else. But
I know it's what you do.
who gonna be back me there?
Kiss me. Thank you. My baby is up.
So yes and no.
I brush the teeth there.
Oh.
I brush them out there. I'm out in the occur. And then after this, him eat and then take him tonic. Guys, sinus really bad. And we have to be careful what we are doing now because we have to remember that people have sinus and when you hear them jump and stuff like that, you can't always assume say, you know, at the C word. Here, babe.
That's it.
Alright guys, so I gave Jason the orange juice, natural vitamin C. But I just want to talk to him about something because when I realized they call my mommy, right? Let me just tell you something. Guys, no make nobody intimidate you know. You know you know who you stay and any problem you have, take it to God. I mean, if you want some advice, nothing wrong if you go, you know, go to a friend. But I remember when I live with my mother, me and my mother could agree. We could agree, may I tell you. I don't go say me and my sister could agree with our sister. We love up, then we cuss. We love, then we cuss. And I love my sister. And there is nobody when I put over my sister. No, nobody. My sister them, my stepsister, I may not even call her my stepsister. She and me like my sister. I love all of them. When me did live with my mommy, me and my mother could agree. Because the mother at one point, I couldn't take it again. And my mother is a person like this. Listen, as you wake up, as you up me eye, just go start work. And, you know, as a teenager, you have so many stuff on your mind. You go wonder, oh, you go get one job after school. You wonder about this, you wonder about that. You have a little boyfriend too. And your boyfriend might, you know, give you 1 and 2 stress. And you stress over that too. And just everything, everything come together. Everything. And, you know me, I'm all about honesty. We tell you no. Like, certain stuff we are bother you as a teenager where nobody not really know about. And not only that, like, parents have to be careful of how them relay certain information to kids. You have to be careful of how you make certain information get out there. Because me can talk for myself. If my mother is stressed, me is stressed. I mean, I don't care about my age. I just want to say my mother is stressed, me is stressed. And that's the thing, me not show love. So my personality back then, anybody at all would have think me not care because I just how me stay at the time. And one heap of reasons behind that, one heap of reasons. So I don't want to get into too much because I don't want to be a long old story time. But me never used to show love. Not gonna lie, my big sister, she will come and squeeze a bump. She will come and pick out your hand, pick out your neck because she love play with neck. Me love play with ears. My sister will pick out her neck, hug you up, kiss you up, and them stuff that me I never did that pick no them. None at all. If me and my sister did go somewhere right now, my sister would have more to be the one to turn back and kiss my mother and hug up my mother. Me we just say, later mommy love you. Me that. And me and my mother could agree. My mother and her mother were beat her pick them. But she be come and give one big hard slap. You know, but she not beat her pick them. Next thing, I was a very angry child. Me did angry, and growing up, like when me get older, enough time me just get angry out of nowhere, and me used to feel shame. Like even if the situation simple, me will just get angry. Like, you know, me not gain a chance to talk. As I say something, me start to just start justify, and me I say, but me always I say something with but. Always. If me and you argue back then when me did a teenager, you go hear but I come out of my mouth. But but that was me. And it feels so good when I can sit down and like, you know, admit a mistake them and know say listen, you change, or God really come true for you. Mother miserable bad. I have a very miserable mother. I can understand now, since I grew up, I can understand. So sometimes, listen, you know, have to even answer like your mother or nothing like that. Sometimes I'm really just over it, but then can't give up because them have picked me a live for. Sometimes them up, them not have no money. Sometimes them frustrated, them don't know the next step. Them don't know this, them don't know that. And I know me start for like realize it. And when reality licked me, and she said that could have really happened to my mother, and me, she said, me used to say, no man, my mother must don't like me, because why my mother always angry so? Why mother always upset? No, when reality lit me back, me I said, jeez, that could have really happened to my mother, I never know. My mother could have frustrated, there's so many stuff, and thinking back, when I grew up come see a rich mother, you know, I grew up come see a trying mother, we try. My mother miserable, and if you wake up, if you just start get stuff done, and me did a teenager, we just, maybe just, you know, sometimes maybe just want my space. Maybe just want my space. Me not get nobody not abuse me. My mother treat me good, my mother ensures me have my food. But me just want my space because you're a teenager and there's just so many stuff going on in your life, and parents need to understand that teenager, check up on them, really check up on them, because you know they're not gonna open up to you about everything, but at the rough patch of them life, even though them are not adult and they not face, you know, no hardship, but as teenager there is so many stuff where you did worry about. And me never used to show love, and me think my mother used to feel like me are the one where my mother used to think me the one where no loving and all of that, which I never want to lie. I love my mother, but I just never know how to show love. So stuff what did that affect me, like when me hear about or when me see and understand, them never normally know say listen, and them stuff they really make me just, you know, just did it. I try to like I put one and two together. I worry, I say when I grew up, you know, my mother go want this and my mother go want that, and my mother never have no washing machine, and that's one of the things that used to bother me back then too. Like, you know, just a little stuff them come together, because me know my mother would have this for do, that for do, and all of them stuff left for do, and everything come together just bother me, and me just isolate myself. When people come here, them would normally feel like say, yo, them really treat that one the body in a car, look which bar she there. No. You have to understand, say, every picnic have them different personality and different stuff about them. My sister would have always did it, greet everybody, not me, not Andra. Me dey run in my back room, and me lay down in my back room, and when me done do what me I do, me go run a back room on my phone. And you know them stuff that we make people feel like, so listen, you know, so them I treat that one the bad. No, my mother never used to treat me bad. You see, when you live with your parents, may I tell you, you and them really can't agree. You see, as you move out, you and them can't agree. Because right now, me and my mother relationship perfect. I'm not gonna lie about that. Me and her can talk about stuff. Me can call her and me can tell her something I know, so me not hear it back. And she just a person that when me run one idea by, and she will tell me what she think of my mother. You know, when it come on to business, and my mother this up here, so. So me I tell you, say if you live with your mother, and you can move out, if you're not angry and you can move out, go ahead and move out, because in a relationship, I gonna get better. If you live with your parents and you're underage, like teenager, you know you not have nowhere else to go, do the stuff for them in the house and make peace reign. Sometimes yes, it's unfair, but just to make peace reign, your mental health, just do it. Or see if you can have like conversation with your mother, like, Mommy, you know someone want to talk to you about this. Do them stuff, because that is something what me never used to do. As somebody did say, if it a bother me, you just don't bother me already. I may just go isolate myself. So we relationship perfect now, and now me start to like show love more these days. Cause back then me I tell myself, I got my mother and kiss my mother, in a hard to do, you know, but that's something I would have rather not to do when me did a teenager. But you see, it baga squishy and hug up and kiss, that I never me. And it feels so good, so me can just sit down and admit it now. But now me can just go do them stuff there and feel better doing it, because me know say me pray to God for like, you know, make me overcome certain stuff, like me being angry, because I was very aggressive. Like me aggressive, if you say something to me I say, but me starting a man. And you see, at age 21, me realize that me did take time to change this. But you see, at age 22, at this me know, so listen, Andrew, you want different Andrew. I'm proud of myself. At age 22, I want age where I never ever go forget. At this time, I make me big turn. Like, you know, at this time, I start to feel grown. At this time, certain stuff, my interest change. Now, what make me feel good is the type of soap when I use wash my clothes, the type of cooking oil when I use to cook. At them stuff there, you know, at them stuff that grab my interest now. And, you know, when I did younger, I used to. Now mind that all over the place now is like, cause me and Jason relationship they'd been a go on, but now in the relationship it feel mature, like it mature. Certain stuff what we used to like, you know, make a fuss about and I want to fuss again, and things just smooth, and never just give God all the praises. When my family, like, yeah, everybody in your family now go perfect. And I accept that long time of my love, so I could have got to my mother and say, Mommy, when you did I feel this, Jesus, me know how it feel, because me I tell you, when I really got through one situation, it hit differences. So with some stuff when me come go through now, like, me should have blamed Twina back then, Twina, because me used to love this some stuff, and my mother would have cussed, like, put my foot in a settee, cock up my foot on the wall, kill mosquito on the wall, and them stuff that might sound simple, but them stuff they do nice, because living here now, when I know say I want house my rent, I know say listen, don't kill no mosquito on the wall. Even though I did my mother's house, I never my house, same way. So now me there, me not kill mosquito on the wall, because I know my house, why would I do that and extra work for me? Me not really cock up my foot in a settee because me not want it dirty, and me used to do them stuff that my mother. When me hear my mother argue, more than now I listen my mother miserable, and now when me can feel it for myself, me know say listen, Andra. Or me will say Jason, me have nothing. Take your foot out of the settee, and me know how I feel. Cooking oil when my mother would have said, Jesus, your sister, your father, da. And me, and look how you use the cooking oil. And she will just over it, and then she will just start get emotional. And it used to kill me, you know. Me I say, miss a cooking oil. But no, me I say, Jesus, why are you so much cooking oil? Why? Cooking oil expensive. Why are you so much? I just need one little bit. And me I tell you, yes, when It's funny see I talk about now, because it's when the money buy it. And you see when I hear one, you know how to take care of it. And guys, if this happen to you and you not apologize to your mother yet, just go apologize. Just leave the video here right now and go straight over there go apologize. Because me did have to apologize to my mother, because now me feel it say, yo, this my mother did I feel. And when I time for me go school and me see my mother go so $500 every day. And me I say, why my mother always have to grumble when she give me something for go to school? You know, she not grumble, but she just say, she say, $500, me lost $500. And me I say, so nothing me go to school. And then back then, me never used to believe when my mother said she not have no money, because my mother now we are a problem them on her face. So me always I say, yeah, always not no money. See, so when a sports day time or fun day, me would have want some extra. My mother said, me not have no extra. Me I say, well, if you not have no extra, and you buy one city, you buy one this, you buy one that. Listen, I purchase. Your mother just not gonna tell you certain stuff. Sometimes I purchase. I know, me just feel good, so I could have got to my mother and make my mother know, say, me understand what you did feel, and I understand, say, never everything you did blurt out to it, so we never did really understand, because me did that picnic there. You see my sister, you get her $50 for going to school, she gone with the $50 school. You see, you give me $50 for going to school, me I say, mommy, a $50. And now me feel awful, like thinking about it, me feel very awful. And I'm glad to me apologize to her. If me never apologize to her, me I tell her it would have eat me alive, me tell her. My sister would have normally appreciate the $50, you know. You see me stay back, me start tell her how much for my lunch. I want a little soda, I want ruffles for this. And I saw me used to stay now. And God really, God, my glad say you just come through for me and make me change my ways, because now I'm very appreciative. And my mother may get me them style from, trust me. Because I saw my mother say, if you get one sweetie, my mother go and like say a white chocolate. I saw my mother would have gone along. And now at the same style them me come get, like if you give me one little, if Jason, just like with the blender, Jason carry the blender come and people are say, girl, it's just a blender. Miss, a long time I want one blender. You have your blender use? Me never have none. A long time I want one blender. I get it and I appreciate it. So, you know, sometimes you have to just look back, admit, apologize if you have to apologize, and you know, don't be ashamed to go to your mother and say, mommy, I know say this I did a feeling, and I really never like how I deal with the situation when I did younger. You can't kill yourself, you know, because you did young. Me, I did that teenager that would don't show love, but I did love my parents, regardless. Love my mother, love my father, I love my stepfather. But you know, certain stuff happen. These days, I start showing more love. I always did a prayer and I say, God, help me to show people some love and appreciate them. No make them feel wonder if I love them, because I know what my downfall. I know say, if I not say I love you out of my mouth, somebody not gonna know say I love them, because I made that. I not gonna show the love. I would have to say, you know say I love you? You know say I love you. You know, some people can just show by them actions. You not even have to talk them action alone. Say, you know, so the person really love me. Me, I never did the picnic there. Me did that picnic there where I have to tell you, say, listen, I love you, and call it a day. But now, I can show you some I love you. I can tell you some I love you, and I'm just better. And I have to give God all of the praises for that. I really change. I'm not perfect, but I can really admit to certain stuff. If you come to me right now and say, Andrea, did you do that? I can say, yeah, I did do it, and I'm very sorry. If I'm sorry, or yeah, I did do it, and this is the reason why I did do it. You know, I know me just mature, and I learn how to communicate. I learn how my understanding. I learn how to deal with certain situations. I learn to don't drink your tea when it's hot. You know, I just learn some stuff, and I have to give God thanks for the people them when I surround myself with too. Like, I might not tell them, but I always observe how people do stuff, and I say, you know, say, that me I aim for. That way, I really like other person deal with that. Me I aim for. Just like with Jason brutally honest. Like, if you don't know, you don't know, but if you find out, he not base you, none at all. He might go tell you. My mother, business minded. My mother put herself together. My mother no vulgar. My mother no do certain stuff. And I say, whoa, I go be just like my mother. Someone want be. No keep no friend and company. And then me have one auntie. Me I tell you, can cook, clean. She classy. And me I say, Bumba, you know me I go be just like that auntie there. I be just, and the funniest thing, people always tell me I look like the auntie there. Jesus said a lot. And people there around you will just not know, so you really and truly you observe them, and you just I try to take a little page out of them book, and them stuff they really build me. I now try to be like nobody but me. I say, whoa, when you see people with good character, you can't help but to take a page from them book. You know what I say? So me I gotta deal with stuff. So just them little stuff there, you live to learn. Don't make nobody intimidate you. If you know how you stay, take it to God, because God not ask you about, let me tell you something, God not ask me about Jesus' sin, when him coming out, and my sin, him ask me about, So people, what did they spend time digging at people's life, and I find the worst for say about them, and I pick out the matter out for them here before them pick you out for them here. Listen. Nobody don't know when this life I got done. Focus on your life, fix your life, live your truth, and ensure say you can stand up for yourself and know say, listen, this is me and this is not me. I'm never do that, I'm do this. Fix up your life. And if your life perfect, which means I think nobody life perfect, but if your life are gone, pray some prayer and put it down, because prayer can't too much. I may tell you, when the devil say good things are happen for you, I same there around the corner, just a peep out like peeping Tom. Just do the right thing. No matter what everybody have one ways, what they need for work, and that's what me I try to build myself. And me I tell her, age 22, at the age them me just learn to understand people's situation, understand myself, not to be judgmental, apologize to anybody when me did an apology. And when you apologize to people, when you know say you did really do something, or you feel like you never deal with a certain situation properly, you apologize to them, nothing to feel good, so because the burden that come off of your shoulder, and you can spend more time to fix the problem them, your inner problem. So now bother with the macaroni and cheese too early. So crackers and tea, the thing there. It's why I love him. Anything me give me tea.
Oh man, wicked. Imagine me live with this girl, all and this girl give me a cup of tea though, which is nice, and one bag of crackers.
Bro, me give him say, take out some, put in a one plate. Now that me say?
I don't know, baby, we never do that.
And you carry the whole cracker or something?
Are you give me the whole
Well, I'm gonna eat that cabbage here because I don't want my cabbage spoil on my tea, so yeah, and then we're gonna get ready. Now watch up about my video.
Oh, then do that. Somebody always question say, my tea can, my mouth can cool fire. No. Put it down.
I love Bonnie the most.
How you caring? I tell her every day that she need a humanitarian award. Hey, nobody.
Joke. Just that likes when I cry. Or the face expression that I make when I cry. Get the lighting good. So when I see my face, I come back to I'm using this charcoal soap from Jamazing Girl on Instagram. Go check her out. She not only have charcoal, she have aloe vera, she have turmeric. Check her out. And not only that, she have sea moss gel. So get the sea moss gel because it's good for a lot of stuff. Look at it. Now like the sun here nice. Yeah, let's go. We're going on the road now. Guys, we reach a Maypen and I'm not like Maypen hot. But me going to Maxi right now. Never mind my mask. Of it beauty, not for beauty. But me going to Maxi because Maxi have some nice house stuff. So let's go in there together. guys, I'm home and I'm so tired. I end up reach home late. Couldn't get to record as much because I tell you, the music in the background, it not gonna work out with me. But yeah, I feel much better. Wash my hair, give it a little highlight. I don't want nothing too much, not really highlight, but color the ends. I don't want nothing too much. And it flat twist now. Not gonna really see it, so I need to take off this off of my head. I don't know me, my fresh, nice, clean hair, me not travel in a bus so with it like that. Only in the Ufa bus with Ufa head. Call me old, but yeah. And I just feel fresh and nice. My beard already. Oh, and I did my nails because I didn't want to feel like a girl. And I do neon green because a long time I didn't want to do neon green. And I bought some stuff, so basically, I do everything what I said I did I go do today. The only thing when I get at the room, get one package today. Personal package. Happy about that. Oh, I remember me telling you so I put color in my ear, so I buy this. So I contour oil. This, I buy this. This have 2,000 punky dogs. $2,829. The cream cleanser. So see the shampoo here. I don't know if you see the price. $874 for this. See there? This are the conditioner. It's not like a regular airbrush. I buy this Aunt Jackie's. Okay. And let me tell you how much for this. This is for $800 and something dollar. And I not have to remember something dollar because from $800 it's expensive. So that. But me feel clean and nice because I do some other little stuff where you know them their personal stuff you have to talk about. You know you're female, you have to take care of your parts. This is the end of my vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Bye guys.